I wasn't watching the damn mini-map close enough to see that there was a waypoint there. Yeah. I'll just have to get it on another trip through there some time or another. Shit, Bads. Well, that didn't go real well. Turns didn't look that sharp on the damn mini-map. Obviously they were. I thought I was going to be able to save it. I thought I was getting close. I kind of hung on the edge for a long time there before it finally went over. Oh well. Let's see. I'm at 0035 or 6. Yeah. I wonder how far back the last save is. Because obviously I'm not going anywhere. God damn it, truck. That's a hell of a place to take a fucking nap. It's still running though. That's interesting. I can try for a save. Okay, where am I going to end up at if I... It'll jump to Dresden. But... Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. The truck and trailer, and neither one of them are damaged. Now, how in the hell is that even possible? Very fucking interesting. I mean, how the hell is that possible even? Granted, I know I laid it down really, really slow because I was trying to get it back upright and get it all the rubber on the ground. It did go over really slow, but still, I'm gonna go to the garage. Go ahead and pay that. I was gonna go back to a save, thinking that the trailer was damaged. Nope, nothing. Everything's fine. I need to sleep pretty soon, though. And while I'm here, I need to pick up this garage around the corner.